What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get the deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So we're just taking a look at Polygon here, and as we can see, it does look as though it's having a little bit of a correction today after having that massive run up that we saw almost to the all-time high here, actually at around 257. We did see this local swing high. This is basically the biggest swing high that we have put in ever since the all-time high. You can see back here, if we go on the weekly time frame, you'll be able to see exactly what we mean. Basically, God, these candles are so huge, aren't they? There we go. So you can see here, all-time high coming up to around that 270 mark, as we said, and this is basically the closest that we have got so far, around this 258 level. Getting very close to that all-time high now. I mean, we're probably, what is it, 2 or 3% away from the all-time high now, so getting very close indeed. And overall, Polygon obviously looking really strong, trading absolutely textbook here. You can see, as we've said numerous times, big coiling motion, breakout backtest, and now we are seeing that continuation back to the all-time high. Pretty much, you know, trading very technically here. This is absolute textbook in terms of chart patterns. Obviously the coiling motion, the bears and the bulls kind of fighting it out, reaching a kind of consensus in the middle. But seeing as how we're in a bull market, we obviously see the bulls eventually winning, breaking out of the resistance line, and then we come back down with the the market looking quite bearish throughout November. With Bitcoin rolling over, we did see ourselves come down, fully backtest all along this 618 as well of the Fibonacci retracement, and backtesting the pennant of this whole coiling move, looking very bullish indeed. As we said, you've got this, you're basically making your very nice uptrend as well. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and now we've come up and we made that higher high again, haven't we? And currently looking like we're just having a bit of a rollover and a correction, obviously, with the market just chopping it sideways for the most part. Polygon just cooling off a bit here, retesting that previous swing high as support, most likely before coming down. Doing something like this where we come down, sweep some of these lows, coming down towards this $2.12 level, sorry, and basically sweeping down towards these areas here of these previous swing highs, getting a bit of support in and around this $2.10 area, we would say, and then obviously coming back up and making a new higher high, coming back towards that all-time high from what we can tell. So overall, Polygon just looking really good overall. We'd say, obviously a top quality cryptocurrency that has done extremely well in the past. You can see quite clearly on this chart just how ridiculous the price action was. Just an unbelievable, massive rally all the way from around 1.5 cents up to $2.70. Just an incredible move. Huge coiling motion that we did see. The breakout and the back test, and now we are looking like we're coming back towards that all-time high to get some further price action to the upside for the remainder of the bull run, because, Polygon, this is a top quality cryptocurrency, and all these layer ones are starting to get a lot of attention, aren't they? We've obviously seen what Solana and Avalanche have done in recent months in terms of their price action. And obviously if Polygon did something like this, we'd easily be seeing those $5 to $10 price targets that we have set for Polygon if that was the case. So just taking a look at the hourly chart here for short-term price predictions then. Obviously, as we said, we did want to see this area here, this previous swing high at 222 hold as support, but we're currently looking as though we may be losing this area. And if that is the case, we've obviously got a decent support here, as we said, at that 210 area, in and around this area here. Lots of support and resistance in this area, a good area of control. Obviously, if we sweep lower than this, we are coming back down towards that 0.78 extension of the Fibonacci, and obviously that $2 level. We would expect $2 in between this fib level at 195 and that $2 level being a very strong psychological level, holding as a good level of support. If we rolled over here, back tested this area in and around that $2 level, that would be very bullish obviously for Polygon, and probably the next target if we rolled over. And then obviously coming back to the upside, we do want to see ourselves break above this 258 level and come back to that all-time high at around 270 and basically move beyond it. And as we said, Polygon getting a lot of attention right now If it does start to move up and do anything like what we've seen with Solana and Avalanche, for example, we could easily be seeing some of these price targets up here in this $5 to $10 region, in our opinion, between this 141 extension and that $10 psychological target. And then obviously we do have that 227 extension at around $17, which is absolutely insane. That would be a monstrous gain for anyone who bought Polygon for 1.5 cents. So in our opinion, as we said, a top quality project, probably going to do extremely well going into the next few months, judging by how bullish it is in this current market sentiment and market structure, with Bitcoin obviously looking quite bearish. And overall, we'd say Polygon, $5 to $10, we do think very possible. So I'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto support is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.